Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change profile title on money.com. Maybe you have earned a new title or you simply want to update your profile information. So today I'm going to show you how to change profile title on money.com. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the monday.com application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will see this three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it to open the settings page. In this settings page, tap on your current profile picture. After that, you will be directed to your profile details. Here, tap on this edit button to make changes to your profile. Now, to change your profile title, simply tap on this title text field, then delete your current title. Once you have deleted it, you can now type in your new profile title. Take a moment to review to make sure that it is exactly how you want it to appear on your profile. Once you are satisfied with the changes, tap on the Save button to apply your new profile title. After that, you now have successfully changed profile title on monday.com. Your updated title will now be displayed on your profile page. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change profile title on monday.com, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change profile title on monday.com, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.